Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's Race and Resto. Okay, I'll show you something a little bit strange. So everyone that's been watching for a while understands what happened with our friend Hendrik and passing away, and his workshop's all cleaned out and there's new people in there. They're really nice guys. Just going to play cars in the shop. Now, the shop didn't get cleaned out properly. Now, I had put my hand up for interest in all the books. So Hendrik had a really, really good automotive, machining, engineering kind of book collection. And the gentlemen that were in the shop, they are awesome. I went over there Saturday and lo and behold, his whole book collection was left in the office along with a drafting table and a bunch of other stuff. So I was actually a little bit pissed at that, but I'll show you. Check this out. So these are all of this is the book collection of an old school engineer. Right? I am blown away. And the lads they were told by the other people, right, that were cleaning it out, oh, you just keep it, whatever, we don't give a shit. This is this is awesome stuff. I can't believe that people would want to just not bother with this kind of stuff. This is crazy. I'm going to put all this stuff on my shelf. This is all awesome stuff. Oh, wow. What have we got here? Surface check and gauge. There's all sorts here. Yeah. Big crate full of books. I'm a little blown away. I'd expect Jo to not throw my stuff away or leave it around, and I know she won't. But she'll find someone to give it to. This is someone's life. This was their possessions, their pride. They were so proud of these possessions. Look, there's so many little boxes of stuff, and that little box there, I actually got told by the young lad, has a couple of books in it. Mechanical World Yearbook 1932. There's a bunch of those little books. That stuff's like what? Oh, what do you do? But yeah, I thought I'd share that. So it looks like I've got an even bigger book collection than what I already had. Might have to get rid of some magazines as I've just got books. Well, you guys have a lovely day. We're getting there. Yeah, the shelves are nearly done. I've got to stack these pallets properly. This has just been out of control. I got a little bit of a machining job I'll do later on, and I'll show you what I'm doing. It's an interesting one on the mini motor. Thanks, guys. You have a lovely day.